Imagine spending years, even decades, of your life working on a project. Billions of dollars, thousands of the brightest minds, all for one moment, sending humanity's ultimate eye into space. Then the first images come back, and they're blurry. Hopelessly, disastrously blurry. Worse than what you could see from Earth. That's exactly what happened in 1990, and it almost destroyed the dream of the Hubble Space Telescope. On April 24, 1990, the Space Shuttle Discovery carried a marvel of engineering, the Hubble Space Telescope, into orbit. This wasn't just another satellite. It was designed to give us crystal-clear, unfiltered views of distant galaxies, nebulae, and the very beginning of the universe, free from Earth's distorting atmosphere. It promised to revolutionize astronomy, to show us wonders we'd never imagined. But within weeks, that promise seemed to shatter. The images arrived, and they were a cosmic headache. Every single one was fuzzy, out of focus. The scientific community was stunned, the public was disappointed, and the media had a field day with jokes. How could something so meticulously planned, so incredibly expensive, go so catastrophically wrong? It was a monumental failure, seemingly caused by a single, tiny, heartbreaking mistake. As engineers scrambled, working day and night, they uncovered the shocking truth. The main mirror, the very heart of Hubble, a piece of glass nearly 8 feet wide, had been ground to the wrong shape. The error was minuscule, just 2/millionths of a meter off perfect curve, or about 1/50th the width of a human hair. A nearly perfect mirror, yes, but in the unforgiving vacuum of space, nearly meant nothing. But here's the deeper context. It wasn't the grinding that was wrong, it was the testing. The highly specialized equipment used to measure the mirror's perfect curve had itself been assembled incorrectly. So, when the mirror was tested, it was repeatedly ground more to match the incorrect measurement from the faulty tool. They were polishing perfection into an imperfection, all because the measuring stick was broken. Giving up wasn't an option. Instead, NASA launched an audacious rescue mission. In 1993, a team of courageous astronauts flew to Hubble aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour, carrying a set of corrective glasses, an instrument called CoStar. Through a series of incredibly risky spacewalks, they installed the new optics. And just like that, the universe snapped into focus. Hubble began sending back breathtaking, iconic images that have redefined our understanding of the cosmos, from swirling galaxies to dazzling nebulae. It became the most productive scientific instrument in history, a testament not just to its design, but to human perseverance, problem-solving, and the sheer will to correct a monumental mistake and turn failure into an unparalleled success. Did you know about Hubble's blurry beginnings, or were its stunning images all you ever saw? Like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below.